Welcome, this is Biji Philip from MES Adya Krandivir Vasudev Belavantha Fadike Vidyalaya English Medium, New Panvel. Students, in this class, we are going to study Standard 9 English first poem, that is Life. Now, let's learn about the poet. The poetess name is Charlotte Bronte, 1816 to 1855. She was an English poetess and novelist, wrote under the pen name Currer Bell. She was one of the famous Bronte sisters who are known for their contribution to English literature. Her life was filled with difficulties and miseries. Novels like Jane Eyre and Shirley were her classics. She critically analyzed the gender and social roles of her times. Now, let's begin the poem. Unit 1, Life. 1.1, Life. Life, believe, is not a dream, so dark as sages say. Of a little morning rain foretells a pleasant day. Students, listen carefully. Life, believe, is not a dream, so dark as sages say. Okay, what do the sages say? The sages say that life is a dark dream. Of a little morning rain foretells a pleasant day. What does the rain often foretell? The rain often foretells a pleasant day. Okay, clear? So that means here in this line or in this poem, the poetess conveys her thoughts about life. She takes a positive view of life. She says that life is not a dark dream as the sages says. See, sages means the wise men. The sages say that life is a dark and gloomy dream. The morning rain often foretells a pleasant and happy day. That means we have to face some difficulties in some stages of life, but a joyous or pleasant time will follow it. Now, let's see the figure of speech. First line, life, believe, is not a dream. Is there any figure of speech? No. Second line, see, so dark as sages say. So here, so dark as sages. S, so and sages. The sound of S is musically repeated. So the figure of speech is alliteration. So next, oft means often. Oft a little morning rain foretells a pleasant day. That means the little morning rain means what? The difficulties we are facing. The difficulties are indirectly compared to a rain and joyous time to a pleasant day. So the figure of speech is metaphor. Okay, clear? So let's see next two stanzas. Sometimes there are clouds of gloom, but these are transient all. Here clouds means again problems or difficult situation. Gloom means sad. Transient means temporary. So that means sometimes there are problems, but they are temporary. Okay. See, we should not be unhappy when we have difficulties, because these difficulties are temporary according to the poetess. If we have difficulties in some stages in our life or at some stages in our life, there will be joyous time follow it later. Okay, children? Next two line. If the shower will make the roses bloom, oh why lament its fall? If the shower means what? Little rain. Bloom means blossom. Lament means grief or regret. See, if a little rain helps the roses to blossom, why should we feel unhappy about it? See, oh, why lament its fall? And question mark is there. So, a question is asked by the poet. So, the figure of speech is interrogation. Okay. The poet says that we should not feel sad when we are in difficult situation because the rain will make a new rose bloom or blossom. Here the poet has compared difficulties to showers and better times are compared to roses blooming. So the figure of speech is metaphor. So now we learned metaphor and alliteration. Okay. Children, I hope that you understood this. Okay, let's stop for today. Thank you, children.